In this video, I'll show you how to do a strike-through in Docusign step by step so you can mark text clearly without deleting it. Start by logging into your Docusign account and opening the document or template you want to edit. After adding your details, click Next to enter the document editor. Docusign doesn't have a direct strike-through text button, so instead, you'll use the drawing or line tool to create the effect manually. Find the line tool in the editing options and carefully draw a line across the text you want to strike through. Adjust the placement so it aligns neatly with the text for a clean and professional look. This method is useful when you want to indicate changes while still keeping the original content visible for reference. Always review your document before sending to ensure everything looks correct and clear. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.